So you kind of have this ambition of an empire. What's your vision of an empire? Does it matter what the business is in? Is it more about the size and the number of people you employ? Is it the revenue? Is it the profit? What do you view as kind of success kind of down the road?
Patrick, ultimately, I think it's about influence.
Mm-hmm.
And so if it's whether it's a firm with 50 people where you do highly important deals for states and governments, or whether it's a 50,000 people firm where you produce semiconductors or whatever the hell, doesn't really matter. But I think this influence component is something that drives me. Now, should it be beneficial for the world? Of course, like you want to build a legacy, and you want to build a positive one. At least for me, that's the case. So all of these are factors that make me wake up in the morning and be extremely driven and ambitious. I'm not a kind of person that has problems coming to work or working on Saturdays and Sundays. For me, that's actually fun in my current stage of life. Mm-hmm. I'm sure it will change at some point, once you grow older and maybe,
when you get a little gray in the beard.
Yeah, exactly, or you manage to grow a beard in the first place. So